Alright. So the next thing we're going to try with the ET8 to slow it down is an atmospheric intake valve. I switched this spring out. This is a much softer spring on the intake valve, and you can hear it squeaking and sucking air in. So I'm gonna see if that will slow the engine down with a bit of valve flow. One other thing before we fire this up and try out the atmospheric intake. This is the exhaust that was on there. I took it off while I was, I had the head to soften that, take that spring out, and I discovered that this cover is loose, and I don't know if it desoldered itself and came loose or if it never got soldered properly in the first place. But we'll modify that exhaust, but for now we'll just have it off there. And let's see now.